Are you having a good time or no? Jack, what's going on? Whee! Oh, oh. Yeah, you holding on? You want to push? Oh, smart boy. Go ahead, let's see. You can push. Push with your feet. Take these socks off. Try that. Try now. Try now. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Try to get off. Good job. Good job. Go after the sock.